Hi, I am here to bring you a short guide on how to kill Old King Doran. An optional. You don't have to kill this guy in Demon Souls, but he's really hard and there's a trophy for it and he has sweet loot, so you might want to. I'm using a mail breaker to glitch him, pushing him back. I'll put a link to a video showing that. But here's my twist to it. I get him stuck in this corner and then you can just start pummeling him with the mail breaker and he won't move. You can even enchant your weapons while you're doing it. In the end he gets away from me, but I can see that he almost has no health, and here he dies. Let's hear this. Yeah, just awesome voice acting right there. Yeah, a shitload of souls and some awesome loot. Nice achievement. Whoa. Trophy? Well, that was just a short guide. This has been Dworshak from Denmark, wasting a little bit of your time. Bye.